good.
Oh, nice.
Hi, Rock Nation! I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Andito tayo sa clinic at kasama natin si
Joy.
Joy. Okay, si Joy ay taga saan?
Based from Sydney. Nurse.
Okay.
Yes. Sleep ako. Yung position ko is, yung nakadapa ako. And then yung leg ko is,
Like this?
yeah.
Okay.
That's my favorite position.
Ang pinaka-worst position is dapa talaga. Okay? Dahan-dahan.
Ayan na yun.
Oh, yun na yun.
Oh, yun.
Okay. Yung vertebrae, misalignment. So, most in the case sa ating left vertebrae. Okay? Mas nakababa ito at mas nakataas itong side na ito. Okay? Kaya nagkakaroon ng tightness most of your spine. When I press this one, how's this?
Ayan, masakit.
Masakit. Sa lower side
Ouchie.
niya.
Yes. Ouch.
Meron
Tender.
din. Ah, there. Good. Nice one. Good. There. Okay. There. Nice one. This is that.
Oh,
That's good. Mas nababa natin yung isang carpal.
Oh.
Saan mo siya naramdaman?
Ano? Hanggang dito?
Aha.
Hanggang baba? Dito mo inatak, pero dito ko naramdaman.
Yes. That's good. Okay. There.
Parang nanay ko lang. Anong bata ako, piningot ako. Kaya pala ng bata ako, maganda yung hearing ko.
So, kamusta ang pinaka naging experience natin?
Since it's not my first time doing chiro, from Sydney, I have 2 chiro proctors. Siguro doon yung process nila is very short lang, no? Like 10 minutes. Basta kinrock yung back, yung hips, that's it. Yung assessment niya is very short lang din. And
Okay.
hindi ko alam ba't ganun or what. Kay Sir Aster, more thorough yung assessment mo.
At least,
Yun yung
very good.
na-compare ko doon. And then, from head to toe talaga. So, try nyo na kay Sir Aster, okay?
Okay.